Building wealth is a process that requires careful planning, patience, and discipline. One of the most important aspects of building wealth is protecting your assets. Asset protection is the practice of minimizing your financial risk by legally shielding your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and other threats. Whether you are an entrepreneur, a business owner, an investor, or simply someone who is looking to build wealth, asset protection is essential. In this video, we will discuss the importance of asset protection and how you can build wealth through it. Asset protection is a crucial step in the wealth building process because it helps you to maintain your financial stability and peace of mind. It is a way of securing your assets and ensuring that they are not lost or seized by creditors, lawsuits, or other legal issues. By protecting your assets, you are also protecting your future and your ability to generate income. One of the key benefits of asset protection is that it helps you to reduce the risk of financial loss. This is especially important if you are an entrepreneur or a business owner who faces a higher risk of lawsuits and other financial threats. By protecting your assets, you are taking a proactive step towards safeguarding your financial future. Another benefit of asset protection is that it can help you to reduce your tax liability. This is because many asset protection strategies allow you to transfer ownership of your assets into a trust or a limited liability company, which can provide tax benefits. This can help you to maximize your wealth and reduce your tax burden, which can be especially important if you are facing high tax rates. There are many different strategies that you can use to protect your assets, and it is important to choose the strategy that is best suited to your needs. Some of the most common asset protection strategies include offshore trusts. Offshore trusts are a popular asset protection strategy because they provide a high level of protection against creditors, lawsuits, and other legal threats. By transferring ownership of your assets into an offshore trust, you are able to legally shield your assets from creditors and other legal threats. Limited liability companies, LLCs. LLCs are a type of business structure that provides limited liability protection to the owners. This means that the owners are only liable for the debts of the company to the extent of their ownership. This is an effective way of protecting your assets and minimizing your financial risk. Asset holding companies. Asset holding companies are another type of business structure that can be used for asset protection. This type of company is designed to hold assets, such as real estate, stocks, bonds, and other investments. By transferring ownership of your assets into an asset holding company, you are able to legally shield your assets from creditors and other legal threats. Domestic trusts. Domestic trusts are another option for asset protection. Domestic trusts are established in your home country and are a way of transferring ownership of your assets into a trust. By doing this, you are able to legally shield your assets from creditors and other legal threats. These are just a few of the many strategies that you can use to protect your assets and build wealth. It is important to consult with a financial advisor or an attorney to determine which strategy is best for you. In conclusion, asset protection is an important aspect of building wealth. It helps you to reduce the risk of financial loss, minimize your tax liability, and protect your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and other legal threats. By taking the time to protect your assets, you are taking a proactive step towards securing your financial future and building wealth. So, invest in your future and protect your assets today.